morning, everyone. I'm showing you the last video that we showed was when we collected the clay, and this is what you do when you separate the clay from the particles, the rocks, and all you're doing is you're just shaking out all the dirt that's in here. And this is how you separate it. So when you're sifting it with the swifter, you're clearing out all the clay. Usually I always have a bottle, a cup, a bowl, and a strainer. Be like this, a small one with the little holes. And then you put in the dirt. And when you're shaking it up, you can see all the little ones, the little clay, the dirt that's separating from the rocks. So when you're finished, this is how the clay looks like. You can get a bowl and just go right it in there, and when you sift it, this is all the clay right here. This is all the dirt that you find in there. I usually go 2 times because sometimes you find little pebbles in there like this, like little baby rocks in there. See the little rocks? And whatever's in there, I usually go the second time, and it cleans it up more. But it's okay because a lot of people have dirt in there with the sand, because when you have the sand and the water, a lot of all of them, they use this dirt, and they say that the little rocks in there, like the sand, will be okay because it'll stick in more. So if you're making an olla, you can also already have the sand in there, mixed in there. And some, like if you're just gonna make it like little figurine stuff, like little oils or little creatures, this is a good time right here to just use the water in there. Just add water in there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put water in here, and then I'm gonna move it around so you can see how the clay is produced. And I get the water. If you have a bowl, any kind of bowl will be okay. Or if you know, just make a hole like you make your jumet. It's gonna be a lot because I gotta put in the other clay, and then you just mix it up like this. So when you look for your consistency with the clay, make sure you get all the dirt, the dry dirt mixed in with the mud. This is raw right now. So if you see the forming, you can see that a lot of the clay, the dirt is already forming. And you try to get as much water in there and move it around, because once you get this done, see it coming together? Yeah. See, it's getting sticky. It's coming together. Got it done to this kind of texture, that's kind of coming together. Now you should get a pottery bag. And what this pottery bag does is that when you put it in there, you're gonna have to let it sit for at least 3 days. And you put this in there like this. Then you put it in the bag, and what I usually do is, since it's this much, you can move it around in there, form it yourself. Let's see if you, when you press it, you can see the moisture that's still in there. Even though it kind of looks funny right now, but as it sits in 3 days, it should form into clay. You can put it in another bucket and let it seal, or you can keep it like this. And me, I like to put it in a bucket and seal it and put it in the sun because it gets done faster with the sun. But this is how it looks like. Look at. With the clay, make sure you twist it, tie it, let the air in there, compact it in there. And then let it sit. So this is how you make your pottery. You can see that, see?